Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. In today's session, I'm going to speak about straddle strategy or no Bain strategy and show you live session how it works in theory and practical, and how my patients helped me to recover from minus 50,000 loss to 18,000 profit. Okay, let's begin. So initially, when in the mid of the day or like around 2 o'clock, I am in losses of 42,000. Later, it reached to 50,000. But later, I recovered from these losses, and I mean, the patients helped me to recover these losses and gain the profits. Let's quickly log into my kite session and see like how much profit I made today. So let me quickly log into my kite. So if you see my orders, like these are the orders which I placed, and this is the total profit which I made, and this is the individual profit and loss which I made. Okay, so if we can quickly go and check the orders, these are nothing but like two orders only of 500 lot each, and the average price is like 110 rupees for both, like almost like both, and exit price is 1 rupee and another one is like 255 rupees. Okay, with this I made a profit of this much, like just two orders, like one is CNP and this is after taxes. So let's quickly discuss what is this strategy, how it works in theoretically, and also we'll see after a theoretical session we'll see like in live, like how the market moves, what are the possibilities, and what will be the prices of different options at different points of it. The strategy is very simple. We'll place both the buy order and put order at a strike price. When the strike price goes up, the CE also goes up along with it, and when strike price goes down, the PE value also goes up. This is how the strategy works. Like and also every one of you already knows that like the CE and PE are like the north and south poles, like both goes in opposite direction. When one goes up, other goes down. This is the basic fundamental of our strategy. So let's see what exactly happens. Like we place an order of both CE and PE at the same time at the same price of the same expiry. So when the strike price goes above um, uh, goes to a point, like the same CE price also goes at the same rate, so that like if it moves 100 points, then strike CE value also adds up 100 points, the same way as PE is opposite to CE. It will make like minus 100, which is 0. So after this point, if strike price moves above this point, this is the breakout point, right? So after this point, like it will um, make I mean C will make like whatever the difference it made from the breakout point, but the PE as is already reaching 0, it doesn't move any down. So this is how we make money, like by placing both CE and PE orders and waiting them to expire, so that we'll be making the profits. Okay, so now let's quickly see how this works in the live session. So here are the charts. Like the top one is the Bank Nifty index chart, and bottom one is CE and PE compare chart. So that if you see that the pink one is the PE and blue one is the CE value line. So if you see that they are quite opposite in nature, so that like if one goes up, the other goes down. But what happened is like in some cases, like as most of the times market today is in sideways direction, both of them has literally gone down like in a small angle, so that both of them are making losses. Like as we thought, like in theoretically, if one goes down, other will go up, but there is a chance, like there is a small deviation. So in few cases it went like one went down and other didn't go equally up, so we made few losses. So I waited till around 2:30, so thought of like exiting at that time, but restrained. Later, I made profits. Okay, watch till the end. Like at 7 minutes 34 seconds, you can see me changing into profit. So hope this video gives idea about how the strategy works in the real market. What will be the uh, sorry for that, like how the market and the dependent options work. Okay, see you guys in another video. Thank you.